Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to send money using InstaReM, the application available Android, iOS as well as website. So how to do it and how to send money one country to another country. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here new tab in Google and type here InstaReM. I'm putting this link in same video description. You can send the money like a dollar to INR, means US to Indian currency or any other country. Just simply click here. So here you send, then receive. I just select here IND, Indian currency. So as an Indian currency, 1000 euro receiving 84,104 Indian currency. It's quite amazing ratio. You can send directly money, add your debit card, otherwise bank transfer, but we can start anything. We first of all sign up here, individual, business. So individual, I just sign up point of view. I add my email address here, case sensitive password, which country you are saying, stay in Denmark. Referral code, I have no referral code, but you can use my referral code. I already mentioned in video description. Earn, as a sign up point of view, you can earn 75 point, complete your profile 300 point, and more Instagram point, more benefits. So continue. I just check, I am receiving one email address. Yeah, so complete your registration profile. Welcome. Let's start. So add here Mr. Add your date of birth here, transfer own account or transfer family or friend. So I select here transfer own account. Country you will be sent, so I just select here India. Mobile number, so I just select here, add here my mobile number, send verification. So I receive the verification code and I type here 3720. My mobile number is verified. Address here, I am adding here my address. Nationality Indian. Estimate monthly sending the money, so I just select less than 1000 euro. Accept the allow terms and condition. So look at this, here I am putting the form, save and continue. Require, continue your phone, send a referral key, open this link, complete the task, check website and finish the submission. So I just scan this barcode, otherwise you can send the get SMS or copy this link, but I scan this QR code using my mobile phone. So simply I open my mobile phone, scan this QR code, open this link, and now mobile session link your computer, double tap, continue, take your photo, passport photo page, first page and last page. So I just simply copy my scan my passport photo, upload successfully. Now look at this, here a screen, I upload the document also, selfie also, submit the verification, get in touch after submission. Thank you so much for your registration. We are reviewing detail and get back to you shortly. Get in touch, continue. So here I am receiving 375 point. Here is my referral code. I am putting this referral code in same video description, so you can use my referral code. Account is ready. Now I will tell you how to send money exactly. So here my already account is created, but I need to verify my document as I submitted. But after verifying those documents just within 1 day, after verify you can very easily send money wherever you want, but I will tell you as a demo. So here you select which currency you want send. So I just select here euro. So suppose for example I select here 100 euro, as a 100 euro fees 2.19 euro. Again I am selecting here 1000 euro, still 2 euro fees only. And where exactly you send, so here several countries are available, but I select here in India. So as an Indian point of view, I am receiving 1000 euro to 83,663 INR rupees. And you select here, if you send frequency of, if you send like within a 2 or 3 minutes, so you select here debit card. If you have time 2-3 days, so you can transfer as a bank, and if you are select as a bank transfer, send those money absolutely free, no charges. But if you select his debit card, so you receive within a minute and you pay 2 euro for 1000 euro and then transfer. As a transfer point of view, the system are asking you your current account number and which account number you want send, so you put it there and send very easily using this platform. It's quite amazing, so you can use and enjoy.